Hello everyone, today I am going to show you our FMT2100 turbine based ventilator. First I am going to show you the physical overview here. Let's start from the back side. Here we have a provision for high pressure oxygen line. This is for the low flow oxygen connectivity. Over here you can connect the oxygen concentrator and low flow oxygen devices. Here we have a provision of a patient safety integration. This is the on-off switch. This is the power cable connection, fuse department. This is the air inlet filter. This is the fan, and this is for the speaker. And in the front side, here we have inspiratory port. Over here we have a provision to connect the oxygen cell. This is galvanic cell. This is autoclavable and detachable expiratory cassette. And here we have a provision for nebulization. This is a jet type nebulization. 7 inches TFT touchscreen display with encoder operated. And on the left side we have a railing over here. Here we can connect the circuit holding arm. Now I am going to turn on the machine from the back side. And in the main screen you can select the patient type. Here we have two provisions, new patient and last patient. Just click the new patient. The tidal volume range of this ventilator is 40 ml to 2000 ml. Pediatric, adult reason, male, female, and we have a body weight feature also. By confirming, just you can see the desired modes what we have: pressure control ventilation, volume control, volume assist control, pressure SIMB, volume SIMB. And for the non-invasive ventilation, we have a CPAP with apnea backup ventilation, BiPAP, and a high flow therapy. Suppose I select the volume assist control. Here we have the parameters of the desired mode. FiO2 21 to 100% if you are using your high pressure line. If you are using your low pressure line, no need to set this value. You can see your FiO2 value in the monitoring section. Tidal volume settings, respiration rate, IE ratio, exhalation sensitivity, PEEP, and pressure trigger. The range of pressure trigger is 0.5 to 20 cm of water. By confirming this button, now the ventilation is start. This is for the alarm silence, and you can select here also. As you can see, we have a 3 waveforms over here. First is pressure versus time, flow versus time, and volume versus time. Here we have the main delivered parameters in the left side. If you want to see the all parameters, just press this monitoring button. Here we have the all parameters what we have. And by pressing this button, you can set the desired mode. Here we have a provision for alarm section. We have manual alarm as well as auto. And to activate or deactivate the nebulization section, you just press here and you just set your time for the nebulization and press this confirm button, and the nebulization will start. This is the nebulization kit. Over here you can connect the one side of the nebulization tube. Okay. Now as you can see, here is proper connection for the nebulization. And here you can see the remaining battery percentage. By confirming this button, press 2 seconds, and now the standby screen you can see. Here you can also provision to select the new patient and last patient settings, and for auto calibration just press here and the ventilator will instruct you how to calibrate your O2 cell. And this is for the unmount trolley. The material we are using to make this ventilator is fiber. Here we have a provision to hold your humidifier.